What'd you say?
I said I was looking at cereal and milk for me to drink.
You want a separate milk outside of the milk of the cereal for you to drink?
No!
What do you want?
I want milk in a cup for me to drink. The milk inside here to drink like this. I'm through. I'm all done with this kind of cereal.
Okay. You want to go? I can take that. You want to go wash your hands? Was that good? Did you like your peaches and cream and rice Chex?
Yeah.
Can you look at Mommy?
They're called rice Chex.
Yes, they are. Can you look at Mama?
Yeah. They're called rice Chex.
You want to make me something to eat now? You want me to make me a ham and pea and egg salad? What do you feel like doing?
I feel like
Drinking
drinking lemonade.
lemonade?
Yeah.
Well, can you go wash your hands before you touch that? Kaylee, go wash your hands.